Hello guys, Brenzo here. So for those who are looking for the carbide glass breaker bit, we have available on our Facebook page, Brenzo Gears and Gadgets. So on my charge turbo, I decided to modify the bit and turned it into a small awl, and to equip my unit with a glass breaker. So to use, remove the lock, release that, and set it as a hammer. Glass breaker. Alright, so the bit is available on my page, Branso Gears and Gadgets, 0917-634-5916. Thank you.